Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is right circular cone. So in the last online class also we were doing the same chapter, that is right circular cone. And in the last class we finished question number 10, but we have not done this question number 9. So let's do this question number 9 now. Same exercise, let us work out exercise 16, page number 227. From the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So let's start this question number 9. So question number 9 is the quantity of iron set to make a boya of right circular conical shape is 75 whole number 3/7 meter square. बोया भनेको चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि पानीमा बग्ने, त एक्चुअली यो रबर जस्तो हो. बोया भनेको चाहिँ एक्चुअली के हो, रबर जस्तो हो. त्यो रबर भित्र चाहिँ हावाले भरिएको हुन्छ. त्यो बोया चाहिँ के हुन्छ, यो पानीमा बग्नेलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौं, बोया भनेर भन्छौं. त त्यो बोया चाहिँ कस्तो शेपमा छ, राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल शेप, एन्ड इट इज मेड अप अफ आइरन शीट. त त्यो बोया चाहिँ इट इज मेड अप अफ आइरन शीट. So in this case the quantity of iron sheet to make a boya of right circular conical shape is 75 3/7 meter square. That is, the quantity of iron sheet required is 75 3/7 meter square to make a boya of conical shape. That means the whole surface area, that is the whole surface area of the right circular conical shape is 75 3/7 meter square. Okay. Next, if the slant height of it is 5 meter, so what is the slant height of this right circular conical shape? Its slant height is 5 meter. So let us write by calculating the volume of air in the boya. You have to find out the volume of air in the boya. That means you have to find out the volume of the right circular conical shape, and you have to find out its height also. And also let us determine the expenditure to color the whole surface of the boya at the rate of rupees 2.80 per meter square. त यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भनिँदैछ भन्दाखेरि त्यो जुन चाहिँ राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल शेप बोया छ त्यसको वरिपरि, त्यसको होल सर्फेस एरियामा चाहिँ कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ. त यहाँ चाहिँ रेट दिएको छ, 1 स्क्वायर मिटरमा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्दैछ, रुपीस 2.80. 1 स्क्वायर मिटरमा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्दैछ, रुपीस 2.80. त होल सर्फेस एरियामा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. So I think you have understood the question. So let us draw the figure of cone here, right circular conical shape. So this is a right circular conical shape. So this is a right circular conical shape. Okay. So this is a right circular conical shape boya which is made up of iron sheet. त अघि नै मैले भने बोया भनेको चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ पानीमा बग्छ त्यसलाई हामी बोया भनेर भन्छौं. त बोया चाहिँ एक्चुअली केले बनेको हुन्छ, रबरले बनेको हुन्थ्यो. तर यहाँ चाहिँ के भन्दैछ, इट इज मेड अप अफ आइरन शीट. And the quantity of iron sheet to make this boya of right circular conical shape is 75 3/7 meter square. That means the whole surface area of this right circular conical shape is 75 3/7 meter square. Okay. So this is the height. This is the height, right? This is the radius. This is the height, and this is the slant height. Here the slant height of it is 5 meter. It is given as 5 meter. Okay. Now let us write down. Now let us do the solution. So what is given in the question? Whole surface area. Whole surface area of the boya of conical shape. Of the boya of conical shape is equal to how much is that? It is 75 3/7 meter square. So this is known as mixed fraction. Whole number and a fraction is there. This is known as mixed fraction. So let us convert it into fraction now. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38. 8, 3, 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. So it is 528 divided by 7 meter square. So is that clear? Now you should know the formula for whole surface area of the right circular conical shape. So therefore, let us write here, let R be the radius, let R be the radius and L be the slant height, and L be the slant height of the right circular conical shape boya. Right circular conical shape boya. Okay. Now what is the whole surface area? So whole surface area is equal to, what is the formula? What is the formula for whole surface area of the right circular conical shape boya? It is pi r L, that is the slant surface area, plus area of the base, that is your pi r square. So what is common here? Pi r is common within bracket, it is L plus R. Now we know the slant height here. What is the slant height? It is given as 5 meter. So it is pi r within bracket 5 plus r. Pi r within bracket, it is L is slant height, that is 5 plus r. What is the unit here? It is meter square. So this is the formula, that is, this is the whole surface area of the right circular conical shape boya. This is also the whole surface area of the right circular conical boya. That means these two must be equal. That is pi r within bracket 5 plus r is equal to what? It is 528 divided by 7. So let us simplify it. What is pi here? It is 22 by 7 into r within bracket 5 plus r is equal to 528 divided by 7. So here you can cancel this denominator. You can cancel the numerators also. This is 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, 52 minus 44 is 8, 88, 11 8s are 88. Again you can cancel it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That is 24. Is that clear? So now let us simplify it. Or next, now multiply by r here. It is 5r plus r square is equal to, it is 24. Is that clear to all of you? So I think I've understood it. So let us take this 24 to the left hand side. Or r square plus 5r minus 24 is equal to 0. So let us get the value for r. You know that this is a quadratic equation in r. You can factorize it. If you multiply the two numbers, you should get 24, and after subtracting that two numbers, you should get 5. That means 8 3s are 24 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Let us do the middle term breaking out here. Or r square plus, this is 8 minus 3 into r minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay? Or r square plus 8r minus 3r minus 24 is equal to 0. Here r is common, so it is r plus 8 minus 3 common, this is r plus 8 which is equal to 0. Or this is your r plus 8 into r minus 3 is equal to 0. So either r plus 8 is equal to 0 or r minus 3 is equal to 0. That means this is r is equal to minus 8 or this is r is equal to 3. So here we have got the values of r. That is, one is r is equal to minus 8 and the other one is r is equal to 3. But radius cannot be negative. Radius negative. Radius means length of the radius. Length of the radius cannot be negative. So r not equal to minus 8. are not equal to -8. That means which is the correct value of r? R is equal to 3. So here r is equal to 3. So here r is the radius. So radius of the right circular conical shape boya. So radius is equal to, this is 3 meter. So I think you have understood it. What is the radius of the right circular conical boya? It is 3 meter. So here r is equal to 3 meter. So now in this case you have to find out the height also. You have to find out the height of the right circular conical shaped boya, right? So you can write it here. This AO is the height and this BO is the radius and AB is the slant height. Okay. So now in this case, now you have to find out the height from the figure. In right angle triangle AOB. So you know that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equal to b square plus p square. Here hypotenuse is 5, isn't it? Here hypotenuse is 5 whole square is equal to, what is base whole square? That is your radius whole square, that is 3 whole square, plus what is p whole square? That is OA square. OA square, or 5 whole square is 25, 3 3s are 9 plus OA square, or 25 minus 9 is equal to OA square, or 16 is equal to OA square, or what is OA is equal to? That is root over 16. That means OA is equal to 4 meter. So what is OA here? Height of the right circular conical shape. Height of the right circular conical shape boya is equal to 4 meter. So we can write down the answer. Therefore, height of the right circular conical shaped boya. Conical shaped boya is equal to what? It is 4 meter. So we have just calculated the height of the conical shaped boya, that is 4 meter. So here h is equal to 4 meter. Now we have to calculate the volume of air in the boya. What is the volume of air in the boya? That means you have to find out the volume of the right circular conical shaped boya. Okay. That means what is the formula for volume of the cone? It is 1/3 pi r square h, right? So let us find it. So therefore volume of air in the boya, therefore volume of air in the boya, volume of air in the boya is equal to, what is the formula? It is 1/3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1/3 pi means 22/7. What is radius whole square? What is radius whole square? It is 3 whole square into what is the height? Height is 4. Understood now? So let us simplify it. Here 3 and square gets cancels. So this is 22 into 4 3s are 12 divided by 7, which is equal to 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24 plus 2 is 24 plus 2 is 26 divided by 7. Understood? So let us convert into mixed fraction now. Now divide 264 by 7. So let us divide 264 by 7. So it is 7 3s are 21. It is 54, right? 6 minus 1 is 5, 54. 7 6 are 7 7s are 49. So it is 7 7s are 49. What is the remainder? 5. So it is 37 whole number. What is the fraction? Remainder upon divisor, that is 5/7. What is the unit? Since it is volume, this is cubic meter. So this is the answer. So what is the volume of air in the boya? Volume of air in the boya is equal to 37 whole number 5 upon 7 cubic meter. So that is the answer. Now what is the last part here? You have to determine the expenditure to color the whole surface of the boya at the rate of rupees 2.80 per meter square. So you have to find out the expenditure in order to color the whole surface of the boya at the rate of rupees 2.80 per square meter. So the rate is given here. That is the cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 2.80. So what is the cost of coloring the whole surface area of the boya? So what is the whole surface area of the boya? It is given in the question. The whole surface of the boya is 75 3 upon 7 meter square. So in order to color the whole surface area of the boya, what is the expenditure now? So let us write here whole surface area of the boya. Whole surface area of the boya is equal to 75 3 upon 7 meter square, which is equal to, let us convert into fraction. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38. 3 7 7s are 49 plus 3 is 52. 528 by 7 meter square. Okay? तो यतिमा चाहिँ हामीले कलरिङ गर्नुपर्छ. 528 by 7 meter square मा चाहिँ कलरिङ गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ? Let us find it. So in the question it is given that cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 2.80. That is given in the question. That is the rate of coloring. Cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 2.80. So therefore cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 2.80, right? So therefore cost of coloring 528 divided by 7 meter square is equal to rupees 2.80 multiplied by 528 divided by 7. Is that clear to all of you? So let us simplify it further. You can cancel this 2.80 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 0.74s are 28. And there is 0. This 0 can be cancelled. So which is equal to rupees? This is 0.4 into 528. Or you may add 0 out there. Okay? So let us add 0 out there. That is, don't cancel that 0. 2.80 into 528 divided by 7. Right? 7 ones are 7, 0.40. This is 2.80. So that is 0.40 into 0.40. Don't cancel this 0. 0.40 into 528. So let us simplify it. Is equal to rupees 0.40 is there. 0. You write this 0 out here. 4 8s are 32. 2 3 4 8s are 32. 2 3 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 1 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 21. And after decimal point there are two figures. Now you should write here decimal point before two figures from the end. 0 to point. So this will be the answer. So what is the cost of expenditure, or what is the expenditure to color the whole surface area of the boya? That is rupees 211 and 20 paise. That is expenditure to color. So therefore expenditure to color the whole surface area. The whole surface area of the boya is equal to rupees, it is 211 and 20 paise. So this is the final answer. So let us determine the expenditure to color the whole surface area of the boya at the rate of rupees 2.80 per square meter. So what is the required expenditure here? Expenditure to color the whole surface area of the boya is equal to rupees 211 and 20 paise. That is rupees 211 and 20 paise. So that is the answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 11. The external diameter of a conical coronet made of thermocol is 21 centimeter in length. A conical shaped coronet is made, a conical shaped coronet is made from thermocol, and its external diameter is 21 centimeter in length. To wrap up the outer surface of the coronet with foil, the expenditure will be rupees 57.75 at the rate of 10 paisa per square centimeter. त त्यो जुन चाहिँ conical shaped coronet छ त त्यसको वरिपरि foil लगाउनु पर्यो हैन त्यसको वरिपरि चाहिँ एउटा के लगाउनु पर्यो foil foil लगाउनु पर्यो त त्यसको जुन चाहिँ कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया छ दैट इज स्ल्यान्ट सर्फेस एरिया त्यसको वरिपरि चाहिँ फोइल लगाउँदा फेरि एक्सपेन्डिचर कति हुँदैछ एक्सपेन्डिचर इज रुपीस 57 and 75 paise at the rate of 10 paisa per square centimeter. त यहाँ क्वेशनले चाहिँ रेट दिएको छ रेट अफ एक्सपेन्डिचर दिएको छ 1 स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटरमा फोइल लगाउँदा फेरि 10 पैसा खर्च हुँदैछ त 10 पैसा खर्च हुँदैछ 1 स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटरमा त 57.75 रुपीस खर्च हुँदैछ कति स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटरमा पहिला त्यो निकाल्छौ that will give you the curved surface area of the right circular conical coronet okay त पहिला हामी के निकाल्छौ अरे you have to find out the curved surface area of the conical coronet त्यो conical coronet को curved surface area कति छ हामी कसरी निकाल्छौ भन्दा फेरि यहाँ क्वेशनमा दिएको छ expenditure for wrapping up the coronet with foil is rupees 57 and 75 paise. Its rate is 10 paisa per square centimeter. That means 1 square centimeter मा foil लगाउनु कति खर्च हुँदैछ 10 पैसा खर्च हुँदैछ और 10 पैसा खर्च हुँदैछ 1 स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटरमा भन्छ रुपीस 57.75 पैसा खर्च हुँदैछ कति स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटरमा त्यो चाहिँ हामीले के निकाल्न सक्छौं त्योबाट कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया अफ द कनिकल कोरोनेट हामी निकाल्न सक्छौं सो आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट ओके एन्ड नाउ let us write by calculating the height and the slant height of the coronet त त्यो जुन चाहिँ conical shaped coronet छ त्यसको हामीले height पनि निकाल्नु पर्छ अनि त्यसको हामीले के पनि निकाल्नु पर्छ slant height पनि निकाल्नु पर्छ so let us draw the figure now so let us draw the conical shaped coronet so this is a conical shaped coronet right this is the conical shaped coronet so its external diameter is given. So what is this external diameter given? It is 21 centimeter. This is 21 centimeter. So you have to find out its height and the slant height. Is that clear? So let us do this solution now. Now solution. So therefore external diameter of the conical coronet external diameter of the conical coronate is equal to, how much is it given? It is 21 centimeter. Let us find out its radius. So its radius is equal to 21 by 2. You can divide it. Okay, so 21 by 2. 2 ले 21 लाई divide गर्दा 2 10s are 21 point. Let us write 0 here. This is 2 5s are 10. So this is 10.5, right? So which is equal to, this is 10.5 centimeter. So what is its radius now? So its radius is 10.5 centimeter. That is 21 divided by 2 will give you 10.5 centimeter. Okay. Now in the question it is given that the rate of expenditure for wrapping of the coronate with foil is 10 paise per square centimeter. That means when the cost is rupees 10 paise, then the curved surface area will be 1 centimeter square. Okay. Now rate of expenditure. So rate of expenditure is equal to, how much is that? 10 paise per centimeter square. What is the total expenditure here? So total expenditure here is rupees 57.75. 57.75. Okay. So now let us find out the curved surface area of the conical coronate. So when the cost is 10 paise, then curved surface area is equal to 1 square centimeter. When cost is equal to 10 paise, when the cost is 10 paise, 10 paise lai hamilai 10 paisa lai, this 10 paisa should be converted into rupees. So you have to divide it by 100. If paisa is changed into rupees, then it should be divided by 100. So what is 10 divided by 100? 10 divided by 100 will give you 0.10. So after 1 there are 2 zeros. So you have to write down decimal point before 2 figures, that is 0.1 point. Right? So when cost is equal to rupees 0.10, then curved surface, then curved CURVD, then curved surface area, then curved surface area is equal to 1 centimeter square. Okay. So let us use unitary method. When cost is equal to rupee 1, then curved surface area is equal to 1 upon 0.10 centimeter square. Okay. So therefore when cost is equal to rupees what? 57.75, then curved surface area is equal to 1 upon 0.10 into 57.75. This is centimeter square. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now let us simplify it. So after decimal point there are 2 figures in the denominator, and in the numerator also after decimal point there are 2 figures. So you can cancel this decimal point. You can cancel it. So which is equal to 5775 divided by 10 centimeter square, or you can divide it by 10. So if you divide this 5775 by 10, if you divide 5775 by 10, what will you get? So after 1 there is only 1 0. So you have to write down decimal point before one figure from the end. Okay, that is, it will be 577.5. So after 1 there is only 1 0. So you have to write down decimal point before one figure from the end. That is 577.5 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of the coronet. Okay, so let us write here curved surface area of the conical coronet is equal to, how much is that? It is 577.5 centimeter square. So is that understood now? So let us use the formula again. What is the curved surface area of the conical coronet? Now let us write here, let R be the radius. Let R be the radius and L be the slant height. And L be the slant height of the conical coronet. Okay, so now let us write down the formula for the curved surface area. Therefore curved surface area is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi RL, which is equal to, what is pi here? Pi is 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is, you may write 21 by 2, or you may write 10.5 also. And this is L, that is the slant height. I think you have understood it. So which is equal to 22 by 7, or you may write 21 by 2 means 10.5 into L, that is the slant height. Okay, so what is the unit? This is centimeter square. Now this 577.5 square centimeter is the curved surface area of the conical coronet, and this is also, that is 22 by 7 into 10.5 into L centimeter square, is also the curved surface area of the same conical coronet. So these two must be equal, right? So let us equate these two now. So let us equate them, that is, you can equate, therefore 22 by 7 into 10.5 into L is equal to 577.5. Okay, so here you can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7 point, this is 35, 7 5s are 35. Or what is the value for L? What is the value for L now? L is equal to 577.5 divided by, this is 22 multiplied by 1.5. Okay, so here you can cancel this point gets cancel them. Or L is equal to, now this is 5775 divided by 22 into 15. Now can you cancel them? 11 2s are 22, 11 times 11 5s are 55, 57 minus 55 is 2, 27, 11 2s are 22, 27 minus 22 is 5, 55, 11 5s are 55. Is that understood now? Now we can cancel here 5 3s are 15, 5 times 5 1s are 5. This is 5 3s are 15, right? 5 1s are 5, 2 less than 0, 5 5s are 25. Okay, again you can cancel this 105 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Or L is equal to 35 by 2. Now you can divide it. You can divide 35 by 2. Let us divide here. 35 is divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1, 15, 2 7s are 14, 1.5 0, 2 5s are 10. That is 17.5. So is equal to L here is 17.5. What is the unit here? Centimeter. That is here the slant height. L is equal to 17.5 centimeters. So just now we have calculated the slant height of the coronet. Therefore slant height of the coronet is equal to, it is 17.5 centimeter. So this is the answer for the slant height of the coronet. Now what is to be calculated? You have to calculate the vertical height of the conical coronet. Okay. So let us find out the vertical height of the conical coronet. Right. So this is A, this is O, and this is B. So here AB is the slant height, that is the hypotenuse. AO is the height, that is the perpendicular, and BO is the radius, that is the base of the right angle triangle, that is AOB. So now in right angle triangle AOB, you know Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to b square plus p square. So now here what is h whole square? H is the slant height, that is 17.5 whole square is equal to, what is the base whole square? It is 10.5 whole square plus this is your p square. Is that clear? So or this is your 17.5 whole square minus 10.5 whole square is equal to p square. Okay. Or you may write, what is p is equal to, this is square root of 17.5 whole square minus 10.5 whole square. Okay. So now what is the easiest method in this case? Don't simplify this 17.5 whole square, don't multiply them. Okay. Use the formula of a square minus b square, that is your a plus b into a minus b, or that is p is equal to root over, this is a square minus b square. You know what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b, that is 17.5 plus 10.5, 17.5 minus 10.5, that is a plus b into a minus b, or p is equal to, within a square root, 5 plus 5 10, 0, 0.1, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2 into, now subtract it, 17.5 minus 10.5, 0.7, that is 7.0. So this, after decimal point, this 0 will be cancelled, or p is equal to 28 means this is 4 into 7 into 7, right? Or what is p is equal to, square root of 4 is 2, and 7 into 7, what is square root? It is 7, that is p is equal to 7 to 14. You can write 14 centimeter. So what is p here? Height of the conical coronet. So therefore height of the conical coronet, height of the conical coronet is equal to, what is the answer? It is 14 centimeter. So this is the final answer. So we have calculated the slant height of the coronet, which is equal to 17.5 centimeter, and just now we have got the answer for height of the conical coronet, which is equal to 14 centimeter. That is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 12. A heap of wheat is in the shape of a right circular cone. Its base diameter is 9 meter and the height is 3.5 meter. So there is a heap of wheat. त्यो विडलाई चाहिँ कस्तो शेपमा राख्यो एउटा राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल शेपमा राख्यो विड यु नो द मिनिङ अफ विड इजन्ट इट त्यो विडलाई चाहिँ थुप्रै विड छ त्यहाँ त्यो विडलाई चाहिँ एउटा कस्तो शेपमा राख्यो राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल शेपमा राख्यो जसको चाहिँ बेस डायमिटर कति रहेछ 9 मिटर अनि हाइट चाहिँ कति रहेछ 3.5 मिटर सो लेट अस ड्र द फिगर हियर So this is the heap of wheat in a right circular conical shape. And now here, this is the height. This is A, this is O, and this is B. And what is the base diameter here? The base diameter is 9 meter. The base diameter is 9 meter. So what is this radius? It is 9 by 2 meter. And what is the height? What is the height of the right circular cone? It is 3.5 meter. This is given as 3.5 meter. So I think you have understood it. So now let us do the solution now here. So in this case, what is to be determined? You have to determine the total volume of the wheat. You have to get the total volume of the wheat, and also you have to calculate the minimum quantity of the plastic sheet to be required to cover up this heap of wheat. So first of all, you have to find out the volume of the wheat. You have to find out the volume of this heap of wheat, and also you have to find out the minimum quantity of plastic sheet that is required to cover up this heap of wheat. Is that clear? That means you have to find out the curved surface area of the right circular conical shaped conical heap or heap of wheat. Okay, so now let's do the solution now. So now in this case, what is the base diameter of the cone, right circular cone? Base diameter of the right circular conical heap of wheat. What is the base diameter of the right circular conical heap of wheat? It is 9 meter. So what is its radius now? Its radius is equal to 9 by 2 meter. Understood? Next, what is the height? Height of the heap of wheat. Height of the heap of wheat. Height of the heap of wheat is equal to 3.5 meter. Height of the heap of wheat is equal to, it is 3.5 meter. Now let us calculate the total volume of the wheat. What is the total volume of the wheat? Let us find it. So therefore, total volume of the heap of wheat, total volume of the heap of wheat. What is the total volume of the heap of wheat? What is the formula that you can use here? Your heap of wheat is in the shape of a right circular cone. So it is 1/3 pi r square h. What is the volume? It is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. So here you can use 1/3 into pi, means pi is 3.14 into what is radius whole square 9 by 2 whole square into what is the height of the heap of wheat? That it is 3.5. So is equal to 1/3 into 3.14 into 9 9s are 81 divided by 2 2s are 4 into 3.5. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 3 times 3 2s are 6 3 7s are 21. That is 27 by 4. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so which is equal to 3.14 into 27 into 3.5 whole divided by 4. Okay, so let us simplify it. So 3.14 should be multiplied by 27. So let us multiply them. 3.14. This 3.14 and it is multiplied by 27. It is multiplied by 27. So what do we get? So let us simplify it. 7 4s are 28. 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 3s are 21. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So it is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. So after decimal point there are two figures. You have to write down decimal point before two figures from the end. That is 87 point. So it is 84.78. Now it should be multiplied by 3.5. 84.78 should be multiplied by what? It is 3.5. It is 3.5. Let us multiply them. 5 8s are 40, 0, 4, 7 5s are 35, plus 4 is 39, 9, 3, 5 4s are 20, plus 3 is 23, 2 8 5s are 40, plus 2 is 42. So 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4, 2, 7 3s are 21, plus 2 is 23, 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 4, 1, 8 3s are 24, plus 1 is 25, right? 0, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, 1, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9, then 2. So after decimal point there are two figures. After decimal point there is one figure. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you have to write down decimal point before three figures from the end. 0 3 7. So it is 296.73. So which is equal to, now here it is, first of all it is 84.78. 3.14 multiplied by 27 is 84.78, and it is multiplied by 3.5 whole divided by 4, which is equal to, what is 84.78 multiplied by 3.5? It is 296.73. 296.73 divided by what? It is 4. So now let us divide it. Okay, so let us divide this 296.73 by 4. 296.73, it should be divided by 4. 296.73 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. 1 6, 16. 4 4s are 16, cross, point, then comes 7. 4 1s are 4. 3, 33. 4 8s are 32, 1 0. It is 74.18. That is the approximate value, which is equal to 74.18. What is the unit? Since this is the volume, what is the unit of volume? That is cubic meter. So 74.8 cubic meter. So this is the answer for volume of the heap of wheat. So what is the total volume of the heap of wheat? It is 74.18 cubic meter. So next, what is to be calculated? You have to calculate the minimum quantity of the plastic sheet that is required to cover up this heap of wheat. You have to find out the minimum quantity of the plastic sheet that is required to cover up this heap of wheat. That means you have to find out the curved surface area of the conical heap of wheat. Okay, so you know what is the curved surface area of the right circular cone? It is pi RL. You know the radius, that is 9 by 2. L should be calculated. L means slant height, isn't it? This is your slant height. So in right angle triangle, AOB, we have h square is equal to L square plus B square. Oh, sorry. This is hypotenuse whole square is equal to P square plus B square. This is hypotenuse whole square is equal to P square plus B square, right? So here h whole square is L square, that is the slant height, whole square is equal to, what is P whole square? It is 3.5 whole square plus, what is base whole square? It is 9 by 2 whole square. Or L square is equal to 3.5 means 35 by 10, isn't it? Let us write here 35 by 10 whole square plus This is 81 upon 4, right? So here 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. Is that clear? 35 by 10 can be cancelled by 5. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. Or L square is equal to, this is 7 by 2 whole square plus 81 by 4. Or L square is equal to, this is 49 by 4. That is 7 whole square is 49. 2 whole square is 4 divided by 81 by 4. Or L square is equal to, what's the LCM? LCM is 4. It is 49 plus 81, right? So let us calculate it again. What is L square now? You have to show this rough work also, right? You have to show this rough work. If you don't show the rough work in your examination, marks will be deducted. I already told you that. So now L square is equal to, so let us add them. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1. 9 plus 4 is 13 divided by 4, right? Or what is L is equal to? That is square root of 130 divided by 4. Or L is equal to, what is square root of 130? It is 11.4 divided by square root of 4 is 2. That is your slant height. I think you have understood it. So let us divide it again. Okay, or you can keep it as it is. Okay, let us find out the minimum quantity of plastic sheet that is required to cover up the heap of wheat. That is the curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi RL. Pi means 3.14 into, what is the radius? Radius is 9 by 2. Okay, radius R, that is 9 by 2. What is the slant height? 11.4 divided by 2. So which is equal to 3.14 into, what is 9 by 2? 2 divides 9, 2 4s are 8. 1.0, 2 5s are 10. So it is 4.5. 4.5. Again you can divide here. 2 divides 11.4. So 2 5s are 10. 1.4, 14, 2 7s are 14. That is, it is 5.7. It is 5.7. So let us multiply them. Okay, you will get the answer. So let us multiply them. So let us multiply here 3.14 into 4.5. 3.14 into 4.5. Let us multiply them. 3.14 into 4.5. 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 3s are 15. Again 4 4s are 16, 6, 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 3s are 12. 0, 3, 11, 4, 1. Okay. So after decimal point there are two figures. After decimal point there is only one figure. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you have to write down decimal point before three figures from the end. 0, 3, 1. So this 0 will be cancelled, which is equal to 14.13. 14.13 into 5.7. So let us multiply them now. 14.13 will multiply 5.7. 5.7. Let us multiply them. 7 3s are 21. 1, 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 4s are 28. 8, 2. 7 plus 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. 8, 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 5 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 4s are 20. 0, 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is 1, 14, 4, 1, 15, 5, 1, 0, and it is 8. So after decimal point there are two figures. After decimal point there is one figure. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you have to write down decimal point before three figures from the end. 1, 4, 5. So it is approximately 80.54. you can write here 80.54, and you don't have to write 1 there. It is approximate figure. That is 80.54. What is the unit? It is the square meter, because this is the curved surface area. That is square meter. So I think you have understood it. So this is the answer for the last part, that is minimum quantity of plastic sheet. Minimum quantity of plastic sheet required. Minimum quantity of plastic sheet required is equal to, this is 80.54 square meter. So this is the final answer. So we have calculated the volume, total volume of the wheat. Total volume of the heap of wheat is 74.18 cubic meter. And what is the minimum quantity of the plastic sheet required to cover up this heap of wheat? That is 80.54 square meter. So these two are the approximate value. So these are the answers. So I think I've understood it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले तीनटा क्वेशन एन्सर्स मात्रै गर्यौं हैन, तीनटा प्रब्लम्स मात्रै गर्यौं। यही नै घरमा रिभिजन गर्नु, अनि अरु प्रिभियस प्रब्लम्सहरु पनि तिमीहरु रिभिजन गर्दै जाने। जुन चाहिँ बुझ्दैन यु क्यान कल मी हैन, तिमीले मलाई फोन गर्न सक्छौ, or you can write down the comment in the comment box in YouTube. Okay, so this much is for today, and in the next class we'll do the very short answer type question, that is objective type of question from this chapter, right circular cone. So this much is for today.